yoga on the couch. Let's begin with some nice deep breaths. Bring your arms down, inhale, and hands to your heart in the prayer position. Exhale. Here we go. Inhale and exhale. Two more. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Let's take our hands up through the center. Open the elbows wide like cactus and then bring them down. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. A gentle side stretch. Hands beside you on the couch. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, down. Change sides. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, bring it down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, reach way up towards the ceiling. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Two more of those. Reach up, up, up as high as you can. And exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Gentle twists to loosen up the thoracic vertebrae. Let's twist to the right. Inhale. And exhale, center. Twist to the left. Inhale. And exhale, come back to center. My name is Gail, and I am 65 plus. And this is yoga on the couch. Inhale and exhale. Let's do 4 more of these. Big breath in, gentle twist. Exhale, center. Big breath in, gentle twist. Exhale, center. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Big breath in. Now loosening up the shoulders, we're going to roll the shoulders up towards the ears, squeeze them back and relax them down. Inhale, up, squeeze, back, and roll it down. Exhale, inhale, up, squeeze, take it back. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, up, squeeze it to the back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, back and down. Let's sigh. Inhale, up and let everything go. Inhale, up, back, and sigh. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to lay on my side on my little couch. Actually, this is the ottoman from my patio set, but you can imagine it's a couch. So we're going to lay on our side. Put one arm under your head, or if you like, you could put a pillow under your head. Let's take those top legs, stretch it out, and then bring it back to knees together. Top leg, stretch it out, and bring it in. Now we'll stretch it out, flex the foot, push into the heel, and bring it back in. Top leg, stretch it out, flex the foot, and bring it in. If you need a rest, just put your knees together. I'm going to do 4 more. Stretch out, flex the foot, and bring it in. Stretch out, flex the foot, and bring it in. 2 more. Stretch out, flex the foot, bring it in. 1 more. Stretch out, flex the foot, and bring it in. Now, putting my feet on the floor, I'm using my arms to help me sit up, and we'll change sides. My couch isn't very big. So snug as a bug, 1 arm under the head, knees tucked up, stretch out the top leg, flex the foot, and bring it back. If you need to rest, just put your knees together. Stretch out the top leg, flex the foot, and bring it together. Stretch out, flex, and bring it together. Stretch out, flex, bring it together. I'm going to do 4 more, but if you need to take a rest, allow yourself to take a rest. 4, 3, flex the foot, 2, and here we go, 1. Nice work. Okay, feet on the floor, use the arms to help you sit up. Hands on your waist. Elbows come forward and go back. Squeeze the elbows back. Forward and back. Let's take a big breath in here. Breathe in. And exhale, elbows forward. Inhale, elbows back. Exhale, elbows forward. Inhale, elbows back. Exhale, elbows forward. Inhale, elbows back, big breath, and rest. Now sitting tall, shoulders back, chin in. I'm holding on to my knees. I'm going to lift my heels up and then toes up. Heels up, toes up. And at the same time, I'm using my hands, palms and fingers. Palms and fingers. Heels up, toes up. Heels up, toes up. Let's do 4 more. 3. Do you hear my toes cracking? 2. And 1. All right, resting the feet, shoulders back. I'm going to pull my chin in. Exhale, pull the chin in. Inhale, release. Exhale, chin pulls in. Exhale, inhale, release. Exhale, chin in. Inhale, release. Exhale. And inhale, doing 4 more. Exhale, chin in. Inhale, release. 3 more. Exhale, pull it in, make a nice double chin. Inhale, release. 2 more. Exhale, chin in. Inhale, release. 1 more. Exhale. And inhale, release. Now I'm going to stir my cauldron, just like a witch, bringing my hands to the front, to the side, and to the center. Front, side, and center. Exhale. Take a big breath in right here. Exhale, stir the cauldron. Breathe in right here. Exhale, stir. Breathe in. Going the other side. Exhale, stir the cauldron. Breathe in, center. Exhale. Inhale. 2 more. Exhale. And inhale. Here's our last one. Exhale. Next, I'm going to reach for my toes, opposite hand to foot. I'm not going to touch them, but I'm going to stretch out, lift my foot, and bring it down. Stretch, reaching for the toes, and bring it down. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, center, bring the shoulders back. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, stretch. Flex the foot. And center. Exhale, lift, flex the foot. Inhale, center. Exhale, lift, flex the foot. Inhale, center. Exhale, flex the foot. Inhale, center. Don't quit, let's do 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And 1 more. Back to heels and toes. Heels up, toes up. Hands push down, fingers up. Heels and toes. Pull your shoulders back and your chin in. Fingers, toes. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And it's time for a delicious stretch. Bring your hands on your waist, elbows back. Let's hold the elbows back and stretch open all of our posture muscles. Take some nice, deep, slow breaths into your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Keep Keep those elbows back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more, a big sigh. Inhale. Excellent. All right, and now I am turning slightly to the right. Relaxing my left knee down towards the floor. And I'm going to try to take my foot back a little bit. Just holding this, I will reach up and stretch up towards the ceiling. Feel this stretch all the way from your wrist, through your hip, down to your knee. If it's too tough to reach up with your arm, just put both hands on top of your knee. Let's pull the shoulders back, the chin in, pull the tummy in, and sit as tall as we can. Let's take a deep breath and sigh. And rest. Now, this foot comes forward. Toes up if you can. Let's slide the hand down the shin and feel a big stretch in the back of the leg. We're going to hold this. Take a breath and relax. Again, take a breath and relax. Take a breath and relax. One more. Take a breath and relax. And change sides. We're taking the knee back and down, sitting as tall as we can, and reaching up if you can. If reaching up's not for you today, then leave both hands on your knee. Let's take a big breath in, stretch up. Big breath in. And now hands on the knee, chin in, shoulders back. Big breath in, tighten the tummy. One more really big breath. And we'll take this leg, bring it forward, lift the toes up, flex the foot. We're going to slide our hand down until we feel a big stretch at the back of the leg. And holding it here. Just hold the stretch and take a few breaths. And we'll face front. Thank you for being here with me and doing a little yoga tune-up on the couch. Come back tomorrow and give this video a thumbs up. If you're watching on the TV, scroll down until you see the thumbs up and give it a like. If you're on your iPad, like and subscribe, please. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.